Hello students, I welcome you all in my channel. Here we are going to understand and learn about factorial notations. This is an important concept. It is used in permutations and combinations as well as it is also used in probability. So let us understand this concept. When we write factorial 5, then this means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is the meaning of factorial 5. Means we are multiplying the natural numbers from 1 to 5. It is also written like this in books because this type of symbol is easy in typing, in printing. So this type of symbol is also used for factorial notation. And factorial 5 means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now with this, if I am to write factorial n, then that means n into n minus 1, because here I have subtracted 1, then n minus 2, and so on up to till I get 3 into 2 into 1. This is the meaning of factorial n. Now factorial 5 can also be written as 5 into factorial 4, because here factorial 5 means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 can be written as factorial 4. So it is 5 into factorial 4. We can also write it as 5 into 4 into factorial 3. I hope that this is understood. Now, in the same way, I can write factorial n as n into factorial n minus 1, because this will be used, this is used when we solve the questions. Here we should note that factorial 3 upon 8, suppose I am to find, then this is not defined. Why? Because if I start subtracting 1, then I will never achieve this one, which is there in the last. So factorial 3 upon 8, or say factorial of any fraction, is not defined. Now we should also know that factorial of negative number, say negative 5, minus 5, this also is not defined. Because if I start subtracting from minus 5, minus 1 each time, I will never achieve 1 in the last. But factorial 0 is defined and its value is equal to 1. It is not 0, and this we should remember. So this is what is factorial notation. Now we can understand the factorial notation by an example. Suppose I am to find factorial 30 upon factorial 28. Then this would mean 30 into 29 into 28 into 27 and so on, multiplication up to 3 into 2 into 1. And this upon, if I am to write factorial 28, it will be 28 into 27 into 26, and this multiplication is also up to 3 into 2 into 1. So this will be cancelled. 28 into 27 up to 1 will be cancelled because it is there in both in numerator and denominator. What we find is it is 30 into 29. So this is equal to 870. If I use the formula, then I can write factorial 30 upon factorial 28 as equal to 30 into 29 into factorial 28 upon factorial 28, where factorial 28 is cancelled. So I get 30 into 29, which is here also. So rather than doing this full exercise, I can solve it in this manner, and which is very convenient method, and I obtain the same value, which is 870. So such exercise is normally done when we solve the questions of factorial notations. I hope that you have understood the factorial notations. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for mathematical learning.